Assalamualaikum and hi to Dr. Muhtafizah. My name is Nasrullah bin Kadir and my metric number is 263717. So I will review a journal Malaysia of citizenship, ethnicity, membership and quality of major. The first part is introduction. Citizenship is a status of the person recognized by the law. A major Singapore measures show the inequality between the definition of the citizenship and construction of identity. Singapore White Paper resulted granting Malaysian nationality without citizenship. The second part is literature review. We point out that the measure did not work from beginning, as mean divorce before marriage. The judges have demonstrated that consideration into the ethnic issue being the mirror behind the major principle. The Hill and Lian show the relationship between nation building and citizenship in Singapore. The third part is the discussion. So the first is sovereign ruler become automatic Malaysian citizen. As we dive into history of Federation of Malaysia, the state membership and nation membership have been used to differentiate categories of membership. The second is framing the debate. In a federal nation, citizenship is a place to who does belong here and who does not belong here. A separate citizenship is necessary for two reasons. First is related to electoral risk. The second is the different variation in the citizenship policy on both states. The next part is background. We have looked to two main parties. The People's Action Party (PAP) have represent Singapore. PAP is the main centre party in Singapore. PAP is the left-wing position party and having a inclusive ideology. The Alliance Party is represent Malaysia. They have UMNO, MCA and MIC. So they have a right-wing position party and exclusive ideology. The next part is advantages and disadvantages of major. The advantages is political benefit. First, Malaysia want to check away to communism in Singapore. Singapore want to independent from the British. The disadvantages if the Malaysia Federation is fear of the PAP domination in Malaysia politics. The second is Singapore does not give much on economic benefit. So the next part is a theory of major. There is two. The first is ideological difference. The ideological difference on racial issue lead to the cool relationship between People Action Party and Alliance Party. The next is conflict between party. UMNO and PAP have fight for the racial issue, so they attack each other in election state. In a conclusion, major is a agreement of a marriage. So in effect, there is Malaysia and Singapore is the partner who have sharing a common bed but having a different dreams. So thanks for my presentation and sorry for my bad in English. Thank you.